Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the fifth point. All liquids do not mix with each other. In our everyday life, we see that there are certain liquids which do not mix with each other, like oil does not mix with water, and such liquids are called immiscible liquids. While there are some which easily mix with each other, like water mixes with milk, such liquids are called miscible liquids. Next is why gases and liquids they are called fluids. Gases and liquids they are called fluids because they have an ability to flow. Next is why gases neither have fixed volume nor fixed shape. Gases do not have fixed volume or fixed shape because the molecules are free to move in all directions. Then why gases can be compressed to a much larger extent than the solids and liquids? Because the molecules are very far apart in gases and they come closer when pressure is applied. Next is why gases expand or contract to a greater extent on being heated or cooled. They expand to a greater extent on being heated or cooled because when they are heated, the molecules become more energetic and move even further apart, and thus results in the expansion of the gas. And even because the intermolecular force is very small. Therefore, the expansion is large. And when they are cooled, they contract more. Why? Because the molecules become less energetic and move less vigorously, brings them closer, and intermolecular attraction comes into play, and this results in more contraction of the gases. Next is gases freely mix with one another. Why these gases mix freely? They mix freely because the molecules of the gases can easily occupy large intermolecular spaces of other gases. So very quickly they occupy the large spaces which are there between the molecules of other gas, and that is why they mix quickly. And this phenomena is known as diffusion. Now children, this activity is one of the answers we'll do at the end, and this activity you will do. Take a small piece of copper in a disposable glass. You take one disposable glass, put a piece of copper in it, then add few drops of concentrated nitric acid to it. A reddish brown gas is formed. Cover the glass with the lid. Now invert another empty glass on this glass and remove the lid. After a while, you will see that both the glasses have same color. This is because the nitrogen dioxide, which is formed by the reaction of nitric acid on copper, that diffuses into the air which is present in the glass and gives it reddish brown color. Then gases, they have a tendency to move from higher to lower pressure zone. So gases move from high pressure zone to lower pressure zone, and this is how the winds are also caused, that the air, it blows from high pressure zone to low pressure zone. So this is about the properties of gases, and in this way the question of reasoning can be asked.